Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com Pulses. Monday.com is a work operating system that helps teams manage their work and projects in a single platform. Pulses are the core elements of Monday.com and represent individual items or tasks within a board or project. To create a pulse, first navigate to your Monday.com board and click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new pulse window where you can enter the pulse name and description. The pulse name should be a brief summary of the task or item, while the description can provide more details. Next, assign the pulse to a group or team member by clicking on the assignee field and selecting the relevant person or group. You can also set a due date and time for the pulse by clicking on the calendar icon. To add more context to your pulse, you can attach files or images by clicking on the paperclip icon. You can also add tags or labels to categorize and filter your pulses. Once you have created your pulse, you can customize it further by adding additional columns or fields. For example, you can add a status column to track the progress of the pulse, or a priority column to indicate the level of importance. To update or edit a pulse, simply click on the pulse and make the necessary changes. You can also use the update button to notify team members of changes to the pulse. Best practices for using Monday.com Pulses include keeping pulse names and descriptions concise and clear, assigning pulses to specific team members or groups, and using due dates and times to track progress. It is also important to regularly update and review pulses to ensure that they remain relevant and accurate. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Monday.com Pulses to manage your work and projects and improve collaboration and productivity with your team. With Monday.com Pulses, you can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and achieve your goals more efficiently.